Sunny Banani. I'm Max, and I've heard all about your adventures, and I wanted to join in on all the fun. With your hands in the air, jump up and down, and let's praise Jesus.
Matthew 22, 37, 38. Matthew 22, Jesus replied, love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first, this is the greatest commandment. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first, this is the greatest commandment. Love, love, love. God is great, God is king. Love, love, love. Loving God is the greatest thing. Love, love, love. God is great, God is king. Love, love, love. Loving God is the greatest thing. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first, this is the greatest commandment. I've got a river of living water, a fountain that never will run dry. It's an open heaven you're releasing, and we will never be denied. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna dance in the river. Dance in the river. 'Cause we're stirring up deep, deep wells. We're stirring up deep, deep waters. We're gonna jump in the river. Jump in the river. Deep cries out to deep cries out to deep cries out to deep
If he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna jump, 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 jump in the river. Jump, 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 jump. Everybody, if he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna dance, 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 dance in the river. Dance, 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 dance. Everybody, if he goes to the left, then we'll go to the left. And if he goes to the right, then we'll go to the right. We're gonna shout, 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 shout in the river. Shout, 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 shout. Yeah. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus. Deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to, deep cries out to. We cry out to, we cry out to you, Jesus.
Ivesi namhlanje lithola incwadi kaJoshua 1 verse 9. Joshua 1 verse 9 ifundeka kanje: angikuyalanga yini, yiba nesibindi, uqine, ungethuki noma wesabe, ngoba uJehova uNkulunkulu wakho unawe noma yikuphi lapho oya khona.
Sanibonani Sunday School, ngiyathemba ukuthi ngiright. Igama lami Sithapile. Sona namuhla sibuyile sizofunda izwi laNkulunkulu, sizothi uNkulunkulu uzosithini kithi, uzokhuluma ethini kithi. Ngoba akumina uzokhuluma kodwa uNkulunkulu uzokhuluma nathi sonke. So sizobheka encwadini kaJoshua wokuqala verse 9. Ngizothanda ukuthi sivule khona and then ngizofunda. Uthi uNkulunkulu, angikuyalile na, qina ume isibindi, ungesabi, ungabi naluvalo, ngokuba uJehova uNkulunkulu wakho unawe nomaphi lapho uya khona. So sizothandaza and bless ukufunda kwezwi laNkulunkulu. Baba egameni likaJesu Kristu waseNazaretha, siyabonga ngezwi ozolikhuluma kithi namuhla. Siyakhuleka uNkulunkulu ukuthi vuma inhliziyo zethu ukuba silamukele izwi lakho, nendlebe zethu ukuba sizwe uNkulunkulu bese siyenza usiyala ngakho. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. So uma sibheka lapha siyabheka ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyayala uJoshua ukuthi uthi akaqine, ame isibindi, angesabi futhi engabi naluvalo, ngoba uJehova uNkulunkulu wakhe unaye nomaphi lapho aya khona, yabo. So nami kukhona kimi ukuthi nakulesi sikhathi uNkulunkulu uthi masiqine, singesabi, singabe naluvalo, kodwa sazi yena ukuthi unathi. So ngithe mangibheka ngabuka ukuthi lapha uthi mofunda uthi ngokuba uJehova uNkulunkulu wakho unawe nomaphi lapho uya khona, yabo. Shuthi uJoshua wayehamba kule ndawo akaye kuyo aya kwenye indawo. So nathi uNkulunkulu into akayishoyo kithi uthi nomaphi lapho siya khona masiqine, singesabi, athi sinesibindi. Lokho sikwenzelani? Ngoba siyazi ukuthi unathi, hayi ukuthi ngoba thina sinamandla ngokwethu, but ngoba yena unathi, yabo. So lokho kumele kusinikeze ini isibindi nokuqina, yabo, nokuthi singesabi, ngoba noma yikuphi lapho esiya khona. Because kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi mhlawumbe let's say usekhaya, yabo, and mosekhaya sekuthiwa mhlawumbe uzohamba uyovakasha kwenye indawo, yabo, lapho uyovakashela ezinye izihlobo zasekhaya kini, and then bese lokhu uba nokuyibuza ukuthi ngabe lapho engiya khona ngabe bayafana nalana, ngabe bazongiphatha kahleni, yabo, ube nalokho kukhathazeka. Kodwa uNkulunkulu kuyena ngathini, asimelanga ukuthi sibe nalokho kukhathazeka kuyena, cause angithi iBhayibheli liyasitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu yena akashintshi, akaguquki. And la siyamthola ethini kuJoshua uthi yena unaye nanomaphi lapho aya khona, yabo. So lokho akumele ukuthi kumenze ukuthi ebe novalo just because useya kwenye indawo, yabo, useyasuka kule ndawo kade kuyo useya kwenye indawo. So nalapho uNkulunkulu athi akaye khona uzoba naye still, yabo. So kanjalo-ke nathi njengabantwana baNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu usifundisa ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa sesiyashintsha indawo, siya kwenye indawo, noma mhlampe izimo ziyashintsha seziba ngenye indlela, uthi uNkulunkulu singesabi, kodwa masiqine isibindi sazi ukuthini yena unathi. So ilokho njena abengiphathele khona namuhla, ukuthi masingesabi kodwa masiqine sazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu unathi and uyasithanda. Uze esho lapha kuMahubo 23 verse 4 uthi noma ngihamba esigodini sethunzi lokufa angiyokwesaba okubi ngokuba yena unami. Intonga yakhe, intondolo lakhe ziyangiduduza. So nakulesi sikhathi siyabona ukuthi isikhathi esikuso akuso isikhathi esihle, singasho ukuthi ilona thunzi lokufa leli esidlula kulo. Kodwa uthi uNkulunkulu singesabi, yabo, ngoba yena unathi. Kunalokho siyathola kuJoshua, uJoshua 1 verse 9 lapha kade sifunda khona ukuthi uNkulunkulu kunokuthi sisabe kumele senzeni, uthi qina, ume isibindi, ungesabi, ungabi naluvalo. Ngobani? Isizathu sithi ingoba uNkulunkulu unathi, yabo. Noma ikuphi lapho siya khona, noma ikuphi lapho esidlula khona, ngisho nasemakhaya, ngisho noma yisiphi isimo esibhekene naso, uNkulunkulu unathi and yena uNkulunkulu uyikho konke esikudingayo. So nje singakhathazeki noma yini esikuyo, even nalaba asebebuyele ey'koleni, uthi uNkulunkulu unani. Qinani isibindi, ningasabi, ningabi naluvalo, kodwa yena unani. And siyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu yena unamandla phezu kwakho konke. So nanoma yini engathiwa sizohlangabezana nayo, yena uzokuvikela, futhi uzokuhola endleleni, uzokusiza futhi lapho odinga usizo khona. Yena ungubaba wethu osithandayo. So nanoma ikuphi esithola kumele sikwenze, mhlawumbe sishintshe indawo, simele sazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu unathi and singesabi, kodwa siqine, sinesibindi, ngoba yena unathi. Hayi ukuthi thina sinamandla, kodwa yena amandla akhe akithi, yabo. So uNkulunkulu mayekithi, amandla akhe akithi futhi. So yena uzosinqobela nasesikoleni, ningesabi, but nazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu unani and uzonisiza. Ngiyathanda-ke, ngibe nosuku oluhle and ngiyathemba ukuthi ngifundile futhi anisizukwesaba nanoma ikuphi lapho ngiya khona.
The Faithful Hall of Fame, Joshua. This is Joshua. Joshua was an Israelite who followed Moses through the wilderness.
1, 2, 3, here we go. Oh, yeah.
Joshua learned from Moses as Moses led the Israelites through the Red Sea. And as Moses taught the people about God's law.
Oh, here. I see. Everyone, listen up.
One day, Moses was talking to the Israelites. He was reminding them of the law and all that God had done for them.
Yeah. Now, see here, all you.
When Moses had finished giving instructions to the people, he said, "I am no longer able to lead you.
Hold on.
Do not be afraid, for God will neither fail you nor abandon you."
Yeah.
Then Moses called Joshua
Me?
and told him to be strong and courageous, for he would lead the Israelites into the promised land.
See?
Then Moses died. To this day, no one knows exactly where he was buried. The people and all of Israel mourned. The people of Israel looked to Joshua to lead them, as Moses had told them.
There he is. Yeah.
God told Joshua to be strong and courageous, for he would be with Joshua wherever he went. He told him to remember what Moses had told him and to study the book of instruction. God told Joshua that it was time to lead the people of Israel across the Jordan River and into the promised land.
Okay, here.
Joshua told the Israelite officials to go throughout the camp.
Get out there.
They instructed everyone to pack up and get ready to head out.
Come on.
Joshua told the Israelites they were going to cross the Jordan River.
See here. This is what we're gonna do, okay?
And so, Joshua prepared to lead his people as the Lord had commanded.
Let's answer some questions about what we learned today.
Ngibingelela futhi seyisikhathi semibuzo. And umbuzo wokuqala sikisi. Umbuzo wokuqala uthi ingane uNkulunkulu athi kuJoshua futhi nakithi njengabantwana bakhe kwamele singesabi. Then owesibili uthi esikhundleni sokuthi sesabe noma sibe novalo yini athi uNkulunkulu ngisiyenze. So iyona le mbuzo yethu and ngiyathemba ukuthi impendulo nisitholile. So owokuqala uthi owokuqala umbuzo angithi sibuza ukuthi ingane athi uNkulunkulu Joshua kumele ingasabi futhi nathi mina singasabi. Ingoba uthi yena Jehova unathi, yabo. So noma kuphi la siyakhona kumele sazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu unathi, so asikho isidingo sokuthi sisabe ngoba uNkulunkulu baba wethu osithandayo unathi futhi yena unamandla okwenza konke. And then 2, umbuzo wesibili uthi esikhundleni sokuthi sisabe noma sibe novalo yini uNkulunkulu athi masikwenze ngokwa Joshua 1:9 memory verse lekade sifunda. Uthi uJoshua qina ume isibindi, yabo. So nathi yilokho uNkulunkulu afuna ukuthi sikwenze, kumele siqine sime isibindi. Ngobani? Ngoba yena unathi nje asiqini and asime isibindi ngokwamandla ethu, kodwa siqina sime isibindi ngokwamandla kaNkulunkulu, yena osinqobelayo zonke izinto and osivikelayo. Ngiyathemba-ke nibusisekile enkonzweni namuhla. uNkulunkulu anibusise nibe neviki elibusisekile. uNkulunkulu anigcine and anivikele kanye nomndeni wethu. Ngiyathanda kakhulu.
Today's animal makes some ribbit and croaking noises. Can you guess what it is? Remember that if you don't have the exact same thing as in the video, you can be creative by colouring in blank paper the colour that you need, using scissors to cut and finding other things that might help you. Let's see what is in store for us today. Here we go!
Wow, I had a great time with all of you today. Have an amazing week.